one important factor is we are no longer guessing as we do projects. There is a guidance, a national policy that we shall align and work within. Can you, Shaka, help and we get the budget month document here, and then the PIMS document here, and we'll ask the minister to, can I ask the minister's detail to come please, so that this thing does not move. It has a and the honorable minister is going to so we are simultaneously going to do both. Aina masanyalazi. So the minister's masanyalazi has worked on it and yeah. Indirectly saying you need to increase their pay. So even your own have turned against you. So okay. Ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3. Can you help? As the minister paints the signature, I will request my colleague Shaka to bring forward the budget month placard that will be countersigned. Can I request that this accord? Now this is a national policy and you've signed, so you are now consenting that you'll be following our performance within the investment. Thank you. But you participated in it as well. Projects on time, on budget, and to spec. Commissioner General, acting, DB, I know it's your document, but you need to come and sign. By their colleagues in the media, the names, the full names of the director of budget who is signing now is Hannington Ashaba. So from today, after the minister has done what he has done and the PS, the person to shoot at is Hannington. Okay. So next is going to be the picture. Okay, the group picture.